Hi, welcome to Driving TV, and I hope you are well, and welcome to another Friday. In this episode, we're going to talk about turning right from a major road into a minor road. Many learners, they get confused with the positioning, they get confused when to signal, who has the priority, and also with the steering. So this is what we're going to talk about in this episode, turning right from a major road into a minor road. Let's start the lesson. Okay, so turning right from a major into a minor. First of all, when the examiner or the instructor said to you to go to next road on the right, first of all, look for the clues where the road is. So what kind of clues should you be looking for where the road is? Number one, maybe the car in front turning in. You will know that there's a road there. Maybe cars coming out from that road. You will see from far away, there's a car coming out. You will know there's a road there. Road markings. And also gap in the building. So if you look on the top of the buildings and there's a gap in the building, that's a clue that that could be a road. It could be an alleyway, but it's a clue that it could be a road. And as you go near it, you will see if that's a road or not. So look for the clues first. Next is use the MSPSL routine. So start with the mirrors. To go right, which mirrors do you check? Top and right mirror. And then signal right. Signal right because you're going right. When should you signal? Signal maybe 6 to 9 cars away unless there's another road close to it. So the road that you want to go in, if there's another road before it, so make sure you don't signal before that road. So say the examiner said second road on the right or the third road on the right, which means you're not going to signal before the road, before your road. So if it's second on the right, don't signal before the first. Otherwise, the car behind or everybody else around you going to think that you are turning right on the first one. Okay? So make sure you signal on time. The reason you're signaling is to help people, not to confuse others. Then the position. Where do you position? If the road is big, position towards right, left of center. So it's still on your side of the road, but towards right. Don't cross the middle line, so you don't want to end up on the other side of the road, but you are going close to the center line. Why is that? Why do you have to position there? What's the reason? The reason is because you are going right. Number one, the car becomes a signal for the car behind. Looking at your car, the car behind will know that you want to go right. That's number one. Number two, car behind could just go past. So say you need to stop because there's another car coming from the opposite, which means you have to stop. But just because you need to stop, it doesn't mean the car behind needs to stop. They could just carry on. So if you position towards right, the car behind could just carry on going. But if you don't position towards right and you just position in the middle, then the car behind can't go. Okay? So position towards, obviously if the road isn't big enough, then obviously you can't go towards right too much because you're gonna go front of the oncoming traffic. The reason you are going is because your lane or your side is big enough so the car behind could pass. If they can't pass, it's no point going because otherwise you're going to cause problem for the oncoming traffic. Then your speed. Regards to your speed, look ahead and see if there's a car coming. Because if there is a car coming, oncoming traffic, who has the priority? They have the priority, right? Because you are crossing front of the other side, which means they have priority. So if they have priority, if there's a car coming, you need to stop. Where are you going to stop? You're going to stop just in line with the middle lane of the road that you are going in. So the road that you are going in, the middle lane, line up with that front of your car and stop so that you are waiting for oncoming traffic. When you are waiting, which way should you keep your wheel? You want to turn right, which way are you going to keep it? Are you going to keep it straight or are you going to keep it towards right? So just say you keep it towards right, what's going to happen? Just say by mistake, the car behind comes and hits your car. Where do you think your car is going to go? Your car is going to go into the other side, right? And there's a car coming. What could happen? That could be a problem. So keeping the car in a straight line, meaning keep your wheel straight. That way, even if the car hits you at the back, at least it's going to go forward. It's not going to go front of oncoming traffic. Okay? So when you're waiting for oncoming traffic, keep your steering straight. And then Once it's safe for you to enter, look into the road. Make sure the road that you're going in is safe. When I say safe, what do I mean? What problems could be on that road? It could be parked car. It could be somebody crossing the road. And if there is somebody crossing the road, and if you go and stop blocking the oncoming traffic, that could be a problem, right? You want to go in so that you could clear the oncoming traffic. If somebody's crossing, you can't do that. So look into the road for parked cars, look into the road for people crossing the road. Once it's clear, go into your side of the road. Don't cut the corner. Because if you cut the corner, you are going to the other side of the road. You want to go to your side of the road. You don't want to cut the corner. So before you go in, look into the road if there's a problem. If not, go in to your side of the road. Don't steer too early as you cut the corner, and don't steer too late as if you're swan necking and it looks that you're not going in. You may be stopping on the right. So make sure you don't steer too late and you don't steer too early. Once you've gone in, get the wheel straight, look at the mirror and carry on going. Take the signal off in time. So just to conclude, turning right from a major road into a minor road. Number one, look for the clues, know where the road is. Don't signal too early, especially if there is another road before the road that you want to go in. Position correctly. If the road is big enough, left off center. If you wait for the oncoming traffic, which you have to if there's a car coming, make sure you keep your wheel straight. And then as you go in, before you go in, look for the problems in the road, somebody crossing, parked cars, and don't cut the corner as you go in. So these are the things you should be looking out when you're turning right from a major road into a minor road. I hope the video helps. If you need extra help on learn to drive and to pass the driving test, don't forget to take the advantage of our online course, which gives everything a learner needs. It has more than 30 videos in the course, giving you everything you need for you to learn and for you to pass the driving test. I will leave a link on the description for you to have a look. Have a look and see and read. If you like it, you could always join the course. Thank you for watching. I hope the video helps. If it does, please do give a thumbs up. Please do make a comment what you think on the video. And if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any of my future videos. Hope to see you again on the next video. Bye for now.